raining, I'm eating my corn in the rain. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are downtown Newark, New Jersey on Ferry Street, and they are having Portuguese Day. We call this the Portuguese Festival. I'm about to go get my eat on, y'all. I'm gonna eat as much food as I can, but y'all gonna know I'm gonna eat what I can. I wanna find something delicious, man. Come on, take a ride with me. Take a walk with me. Let's go check it out. We getting the cosilla, y'all, right there. That's what I'm getting. I was gonna get the shish kebab, but no, I'm gonna get that one right there. That looks good. That looks delicious. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How do you say cosilla?
Yeah,
Cosilla. Yeah, I'm trying this sausage, y'all. Cosilla. I'm gonna get that, and then potato. What is that? Corn?
Corn, yeah.
Oh yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit. I'm gonna try this. It looks like corn.
Okay.
That's good. Just a little potato. Just a little. Un poquito. Yeah. That's it. I got this, y'all. Let me see. All right, got that.
Salad.
And then un poquito. Yeah. We're gonna get a little salad with it. Oh, this sausage, man. It looked like liver sausage almost. That is very soft. Almost make me wondering if it's just well done, you know? Let me taste it here. Let's see. You know what? This has rice in it. It has rice. Look, y'all. That has rice in there. Look at that. It's not just meat. I was like, wait a minute. This might be too soft, but look. It's like rice and type of vegetables, and oh my goodness, really flavorful. Flavorful. And this wrapping, I could have swore it was sausage. Hold up, let's taste this corn looking stuff now. We got this, it's good, yep. It's like the corn right here, guys. That tastes like potatoes. That right there. It looks like corn. Y'all help me out too. What is this? Tastes like potatoes. It's delicious. But this here, y'all heard the name of this, yo. This is delicious. Word is born, that's good. So whatever that is, y'all, is delicious. I'm gonna put the name up here. Here's a potato, right? You can tell a potato ain't just cooked. It's got spices and it looks even yellow, right? What's that? Saison that makes it yellow? It tastes good too. It tastes like it's seasoned well. These corn looking things taste just like potatoes. Yeah. Yep. It tastes like a cross between plátano and potatoes. We're down here, y'all. Oh man, I want to eat a little bit more of that, and then I'm about to walk. Oh wow. Butter and what is that in there? Cheese. Yeah, I'll take the cheese. Queso. How much is that? 11? 7. I thought you said 11. Here's 5. That's 5. Hold up. That's what we got, y'all. We got to give her $2 more. 7. Look, word is born. I told y'all I was going to get some corn. Y'all thought this was a game. It's raining out here. But look. Look, ain't no rain going to stop no show. Oh, my goodness. Look, everybody ran because it's raining. I'm eating my corn in the rain. You know what? This cheese, that's cheese on there. Cheese and butter. Perfect, y'all. It's perfect. You know? Look, I ain't no punk, right? But I'm looking for a place I can duck out of the rain. All right, I'm gonna get something. What's more important, not getting wet or eating? I gotta duck, y'all. I gotta get out of the rain. Look at all these tents behind me. I'm about to duck in. How you doing? Oh yeah. I see a tent. I see a tent that I can duck under, so I don't get too wet. Here we go, y'all. I think the rain's gonna pass. Oh, what's up, man? Look, y'all, we got this artist right here.
Newark International Film Festival, the 20th to the 25th. We there. Tap in, get your passes, hold it down.
Yo, you got a film? You got a film in it? Or you working?
Nah, we working.
Oh, that's right, that's right, that's right. That's right.
Production, baby.
That's right,
hold it down.
All right, man. See you in Miami. For real. I gotta look at my mouth. Y'all gonna be telling me something on my mouth. It's official, y'all. Like, subscribe. I could not come to the Portuguese Festival without filming it. I caught the train down here. I wish I had a drove now, because I was talking all that fake rain talk. I don't really want to get wet, but if I have to, I have to. I'm from Newark, y'all, Brick City. Whatever all that means. Y'all crazy. Uh-oh, they about to start pumping it up. Boom, track, boots and pants and boots and pants. All right, y'all, it's Matt DV. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. I love you, Fats. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace. They thought this was a game, y'all. They thought it was a game. I do have a few more in there. But that's it, man. All right, I'm gonna get that little bit off there, but that's it. Then the rain came, y'all. It's raining, but I don't think it's gonna last long. Everyone's ducking for cover. But it's raining, y'all. People got off the street quick.